I want to bring to your notice a famous case of 1971. May 24, 1971, there was a phone call. There was a phone call to the parliamentary branch of State Bank of India. Phone uthaya Mr. Malhotra, the bank manager, and he heard the voice of then Prime Minister in 1971 to Nagarwala. 60 लाख रुपए दे दो, 60 लाख रुपए दे दो बैंक से निकाल करके नगरवाला जी को। 60 लाख रुपए बैंक से निकाल करके इन्हें कहने पर नगरवाला को दे दिया गया। बाद में इस पूरे इशू पे रेड्डी कमीशन बैठा, नाम तो नहीं आया मगर उनको क्लियरेंस भी नहीं मिली पूरी तरीके से। आज भी बैंकिंग फ्रॉड का थ्रिलिंग स्टोरी, मिस्टीरियस स्टोरी ऑफ द बैंकिंग फ्रॉड ड्यूरिंग इस नगरवाला केस, फोन बैंकिंग सिस्टम। सभापति महोदय, मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं कि जहां तक ग्रॉस एडवांसेस है बैंकिंग सिस्टम का, ग्रॉस एडवांसेस, सभापति जी मैंने ऐसा कुछ तो नहीं कहा है कि लोग मेरे पे नाराज हो रहे हैं। सभापति जी, जहां तक ग्रॉस एडवांसेस है पीएसबी, पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक्स का, आपको जान के आश्चर्य होगा कि 2004 मार्च में ये 6.6 लाख करोड़ का था ग्रॉस एडवांसेस। जो ऋण दिया जाता है तुरंत वापस लेने के लिए, वो ग्रॉस एडवांसेस 6.6 लाख करोड़ का था। मार्च 2012 में जब इनकी सरकार थी यूपीए की, वो बढ़ करके ग्रॉस एडवांस 39 लाख करोड़ का बना, 39 लाख करोड़ का बना। जिसको मन उसको उठा के लोन दिया इन लोगों ने, लोन वापसी नहीं ली। सभापति महोदय, मैं आज फख्र के साथ कहना चाहता हूं, प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने जब ऑफिस संभाला उसके पश्चात ग्रॉस एनपीए ऑफ द स्टेट ओन लेंडर्स stood at 4.4% and net NPA at 1% at the end of September 2023. At the end of September 2023. अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं बैंकिंग सिस्टम के लिए कह रहा हूं, our banking system was on ventilator. हमारा बैंकिंग सिस्टम वेंटिलेटर पे था। It took a Modi ji to come rescue, recover and resuscitate. RRR। तेलुगु में अभी एक बहुत बड़ी मूवी है RRR, rescue, resuscitate and recover the banking system of India. Sabhapati Mahoday, that the elevated external vulnerability that the Indian banks were under, the UPA government is whooping. The India's external vulnerability shot up because of over-dependence on external commercial borrowings, what we call as ECBs. The borrowing crisis, which was one of the most infamous crises of UPA government during 2004 and 2014. When the Atal Bihari, I'm astonished that they don't want to listen to this, but I believe there are certain issues which I would surely be highlighting over here. Okay. I would like to bring the attention to the fact that the Modi government turned around the banking system, the banking sector, and over 10 lakh crore rupees bad loans have been recovered in 10 years.
Somebody, 1 second, please.
Under rule. Mention the rule.
Kindly be seated. Please be seated. No, it cannot go on like this. Please be seated. Please. I'm requesting everybody. No, sir. Please look behind. No, sir. There are 10. Okay, sir. Okay. Mr. Raja, would you like to speak?
Rule. Mention the rule.
He mentioned the rule. Okay, yes. Rule number.
Sir, 94. Sir, 94. Read.
90 or 94?
94.
94, okay.
Nishikant referred. Sir, 94.
What? Minister?
Why you are laughing?
Minister.
Don't be a laughing stock. Don't be a laughing stock. Why you are laughing?
Mr. Raja, kindly
Why you
address
are
the
laughing?
chair. Sir, 1 second,
Sir,
please.
sir, Justice
Please,
Masrin
1
said,
second, please. Please address the chair.
Honorable Member Nisikant submitted before this House 94. Goga is exceeding the limit beyond the 94. Now the Honorable Member is saying in 1971, and the loan was granted by State Bank. Is it within the bill?
Yeah.
Are you having any substantial evidence? Where is the evidence? It's not in the House. Beyond the metes and bounds of the bill, you are referring without any reason and baseless allegations. What does it mean? Give me the ruling.
I heard you. Mr. Sambit Patra, no, I heard you. 1 second, please. You have anything to say in defense, I will listen. Otherwise, then I'll take a decision. Please. Yeah. 1 second, please.
Sir, I quote from, please the honorable members, sir, to you, sir, I draw my powers from what you laid in the rule number 94. We have to be within the ambits of the bill that is being discussed, the amendment that is being discussed. Here we are discussing the Indian banking sector and the amendment therein. So of course, the Nagarwala case is one of the foundations on which reforms of the banking sector are based. It is recorded, it is noted. It is a foundation on which the reforms of banking sector are based. And by the way, I would like to remind Sir, Honorable Member, did not pick up the phone. Mr. Malhotra picked up the phone. He was the manager caller.
One
So
second,
you have
sir.
got the whole thing wrong.
Legislation. He actually crossed all the limits, was assassinated. She is a martyr of this country. She fought against Pakistan and won the war. Entire Indian are treating some other. I think I am reminding the members when Pakistan war was won. But what word he used? What word he used, sir? Sir, he used the word in the phone and called the bank manager and asked the bank manager to be. Where he got there? Sir, he was witness there. Even whether he was present there.
Okay.
Whether he was present there.
एक सेकंड प्लीज एक मिनट प्लीज वेणुगोपाल जी अब प्लीज वेणुगोपाल प्लीज आपको अरे सुनिए एक मिनट प्लीज हाँ मैं एक व्यवस्था दे रहा हूं एक मिनट प्लीज अगर आपको कोई ऑब्जेक्शन है तो स्वर्गीय इंदिरा गांधी जी का नाम उसमें से एक्सचेंज कर देंगे लेकिन मेरी ये अपेक्षा है जो संसदीय कार्य मंत्री जी ने कहा कि चेयर पर कभी भी टिप्पणी नहीं करें
Definitely say all this and more during my reply. I will say all this and more during my reply. But no, I have not finished yet. You may thank me afterwards. I have not finished yet, please. Sir,
बुला लो उनको
बैठे हैं चेयर में बुला लो
हाँ ये आप तो बोलिए
sir, I'd
मेरी
like to
व्यवस्था जमा
appeal
रहा
to
हूं।
you, sir. Since the point derived from, 94 and then said confine yourselves to the bill, I'm here wanting to hear and then wanting to reply. And you've taken a very considered call, sir. I respect your view that you would remove the name of former Chief Prime Minister. Respect Mrs. Indira Gandhi for her achievements. Of course, we equally remember her for emergency. But I think it is important. But as contentious, there's no proof. There are enough people who said he has not said that. Therefore, even that statement that Vajpayee ji said this should be equally removed. And you have taken a considered call, sir. Why? Mrs. Indira Gandhi is not respected? I said Mrs. Indira Gandhi is respected. Do you have an objection? I said Mrs. Indira Gandhi is respected. Do you have an objection on that? What is this, sir? What is this? Sir, equally. Therefore, I appeal to you, sir. You said that will be removed from Sambit Patra's statement. I appeal to you that under 94, if people have spoken beyond 94, and I take the Honorable Member Gogoi's name here, most of his speech was beyond 94. Would you consider please removing that also from the report? A.C. Venugopal is very, very clued into what I'm saying. And therefore he's saying, I'm challenging you. No, I'm appealing to you to remove Gogoi's complete statement, which was beyond this bill. And equally, the member who said, Chairman, hi, remove that as well, sir. That's my request to you.